In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a song to any genre using Suno AI Cover. Whether you're a budding musician, a hobbyist, or someone curious about music editing, this handy tutorial will guide you through every step to transform a song's genre seamlessly, all within the span of just 5 minutes. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Suno AI music account. If you haven't already signed up, make sure to register to access their features. Suno AI is a fantastic platform that lets you creatively experiment with your music while providing user-friendly tools for all your remix and cover needs. Once logged in, navigate over to the library section. Here in your library, you'll find all your stored music tracks, ready for you to edit and explore. It's like stepping into a mini recording studio where you have control over your musical pieces. Select a song you'd like to modify. To do this, simply click on the song in the library. You should notice a convenient 3 dots icon next to it. This icon is your gateway to the song's editing options. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, choose Remix Edit. This option will open a new realm of possibilities, putting the creative reins firmly in your hands. Now, after selecting the Remix Edit option, you'll need to click on Cover. This action opens up a fresh editor loaded with the original lyrics of the song you've chosen. This editor is your canvas, and here's where you can start making waves by adjusting the song's genre. If you're not entirely happy with the original lyrics, feel free to rewrite them. Rewriting lyrics can add a personal touch, making the song truly yours. This flexibility is one of the exciting parts of using Suno AI because it lets your unique voice and style shine through. Next up, let's change the song's genre. Under the Styles section, you'll see the current genre listed. You can easily delete the existing genre by clicking on it and type in the new genre you desire for your song. Do you envision your pop song as an acoustic ballad or perhaps an electronic dance track? Simply type in that genre and set the foundation for your creative reincarnation. Finally, it's time to bring your vision to life. At the bottom of your screen, you'll see a Create button. Click on it to finalize your changes. The system will then process your modifications, stylizing the song with the new genre and lyrical updates you've applied. And there you have it. You've successfully transformed a song into an entirely new genre using Suno AI covers. Feel free to listen to your converted track and share it with friends or keep experimenting with different styles. Thanks for watching and happy music making.